L&T SuFin has launched a powerful mobile application for buyers to transact on the go. We'll now learn about the buyer application. The buyer application is available on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. You can also visit the L&T SuFin website and click the app link to view a QR code. Scanning the QR code will redirect you to the Play Store or App Store as applicable, where you can download the app. Once you open the application, this is how the homepage appears. Tap on Login/Sign Up to enter your mobile number and verify it using an OTP. If you're already registered, you'll be logged in directly. If not, you'll be prompted to sign up by entering your first name, last name, and email ID. You can also opt in for WhatsApp notifications by selecting the checkbox. Tap Submit to become a quick buyer and start purchasing. In this flow, since the buyer is already onboarded, they can simply click on the Login tab. Tap Login, enter your mobile number, and verify it with the OTP. You are now logged into the buyer application. For delivery, tap Select your PIN code and choose the location where you want the product delivered. Here, you'll find the Notifications tab, where you receive updates on quotes and other alerts. Next to it is the Cart, where all selected products are displayed. This is the Chat option, which allows buyers to directly communicate with sellers regarding quoted products. All chats are moderated by an L&T SuFin representative to ensure smooth communication between both parties. This is the Search bar, which works the same as the Browse and Buy option. Let's tap on the Search bar. Here, the first 3 items shows your recent searches marked with the last search icon. The next 4 products are trending items indicated by the trending icon. To explore any item from the list, simply tap on it. To search for any other product, use the keyword search. For example, type safety and all related products are displayed. Tap on Safety Jacket to view all available options. This flow remains the same for both Buy Now and RFQ options. Now let's go back to the home page. Scroll down to view the super categories managed by L&T SuFin. Tap View All to see the complete list. Select any super category to explore further. Each super category is divided into multiple categories as shown here. For example, tap on Adhesives and Sealants. This category is further divided into 2 subcategories: Adhesives and Sealants. Under Adhesives, you'll find distinct items used to bond different materials. For instance, tap on Tile Adhesive. Here, you can view all available SKUs or stock keeping units, such as different pack sizes. SKUs represent the final product options you can purchase. To return to the home page, tap the back arrow, then select Home. Scroll further to view popular deals with ongoing promotional offers. Tap on any deal to avail the benefits. As you scroll down, you'll see the advertising panel showcasing ads from key sellers enrolled in our advertising plans. Below this, you'll find an option to order a specific product. Tap the button, enter the product specifications, upload any reference if available, and click Submit. At the bottom, you'll see 5 tabs: Home, Categories, Orders, RFQ, and Profile. In the RFQ tab, you can view live RFQs as well as closed ones. Under Profile, you can access your profile details, including mobile number and email ID. Tap Address to view or update your delivery address. The Documents tab lets you view all your uploaded documents. Any uploaded bank details can also be accessed here, and you can also manage account settings. Here, you can also access your credit limit. Tap to apply for trade credit by entering your name, mobile number, city, required credit limit, confirm collateral security, details, then submit the enquiry, and our backend team will contact you. If a credit limit has already been assigned to you, the details are displayed here on the interface. If you require additional funding, you can apply again in this section. To track your orders, go to Order Status. Here, you can view and manage your orders at every stage of the process. Under the Profile option, you'll find Help and Support. This section includes frequently asked questions and a Call Us option. tap on FAQs. In the search bar, you'll see popular and recent FAQ topics. Select any option to view the solution. Returning to the profile page, you can also access the Policy tab, which contains all relevant policy documents. Now let's go back to the home page. Here, you'll find Get Quotes, where you can view live and closed RFQs. Next, tap on Brand Store to explore products like Solido and Gravis marketed under SuFin. Select View and Explore to learn more about these products. Scroll further to see brands enrolled under SuFin's Market Partnership Plan. Returning to the home page, you also have quick access to trade credit, which we covered earlier. Finally, under Quick Actions, you'll receive alerts for RFQs that need a response. You will also get updated on best-selling and new arrival products here. Download the SuFin Buyer app today for easy and seamless transactions on the go.